welcome back to the channel. We are about to do a freaking mod on the 370 finally, baby. Oh yeah, that's what we got going on right there. BC Racing Coilovers. Let's freaking go. I got some spacers too to dial in that fitment. Just got me a Mongo NOS. About to get it started. I need some food though. I just got out of church. Didn't eat breakfast, you know, gotta eat lunch. So yeah, that's what we're about to do, and then I'm gonna head to my cousin's house, and that's where we're gonna do the install. Got her lifted up. Compressor's loud. We got the front wheels off. Hey, what's going on guys? So after that last clip, I didn't vlog anything else. I suck at vlogging. That was actually filmed in like freaking June, I think, or July. And you know, I suck. But we're back now and we're doing like a little coilover review. Obviously, you can tell I didn't vlog very much that day because like I said, you know, I suck. But it's alright. We're gonna take the car out, I'm gonna go wash it real quick, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little review on how the coilovers have been over the past couple months. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, pulled up to a nice little scenic spot so we can do a little coilover review. First off, we did the BC Racing BR series, but I did the extreme lows and I got 16K front spring rates and 14K rear spring rates. Now, when I had my Genesis, I did like the base spring rate because I didn't do the extreme lows, but this time I went ahead and just like, you know, I got those just in case I wanted to go low in the future. It's still kind of a functional ride height right now, but you know, I got the extreme low just in case. Now let's go see what the car looks like. So this is how the car sits now. I won't say it's not low, it's definitely low, but it could be a lot lower. Like I can go, like I could tuck a lot of wheel in the rear. Like there's plenty more room to go, but I think this is perfect for me. It's not like insane, but yeah. It honestly, I think it rides better than the stock suspension. I'm not saying it's not stiff, but the rebound is just better. I don't know, it's different. Because I mean, Nissans are not like a luxury car, so you're not really getting, you know, nice rides anyway when you buy a 370Z. It's not what you buy it for. But yeah, it rides pretty good. Honestly, I wish I went stiffer in the front because I actually do rub like right here on the tab just a little bit. I'll rub and like see I bent the fender out a little bit right here. So I do rub. I kind of wish I went higher spring rates, but you know, it's okay. And obviously I don't have money for bags. I'm in college, so I went with the nice BCs. But yeah, that's about it. That's how she looks. Alright guys, after that last clip, I filmed the outro like back over at Fan and Landing, and I actually forgot to say that I have spacers on the car as well. I have 25 millimeters all the way around, so, and they're from Z1 Motorsports. So let me show you guys the fitment real quick, why I needed those. So you can see the spacer is right here. Yeah, I got the 25 millimeter bolt-on spacers from Z1 Motorsports, and yep, it's pretty much just to like get the fitment right. Barely, not really even fit a finger in there. You know, Stancy boy stuff. That's how we like it around here. If I didn't have them, obviously the wheel would be sunk in a lot, and I don't really rub in the rear at all. But, you know, obviously if I took the spacer out, I probably wouldn't rub in the front, but, you know, it's whatever. But so far, so good. They've been really nice spacers. Kind of expensive. I spent about $200 on them, but it's all right. They're quality. They're like billet, I'm pretty sure, so it's all good. Okay, now roll the outro back at Fan and Landing. That's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else to film. Obviously, I'm supposed to film more when I'm installing coilovers, but I kind of failed. I'm just a little awkward, you know, vlogging around people, especially my friends and like my peers and stuff, but it's all right. We'll get used to it eventually. But that's basically it. If you guys are thinking about BC racing, they're honestly like a good starting coilover. Even the extreme lows, like if you want to get super low and like have at least somewhat decent high spring rates, it's no extra cost to get extreme lows and get better spring rates. It's still the same $1,000 as if you got like, you know, regular ones, not the extreme lows. But yeah guys, that'll be it for me. Expect an exhaust video for the next video. And as you're watching this, I'm currently designing a t-shirt design for Unconditional. Hopefully I have that all ready to go, like completely designed and ready for like the first drop around my birthday, which will be November 21st. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.